Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to get log out of Call of Duty Mobile on your phone. Let's get started. First, open the app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are on your home page, on the top right corner, tap the little settings icon, then tap on user settings. On your user settings at the bottom, you will see the logout button. Tap on logout and a pop-up will appear asking if you are sure. Press OK or confirm. Now you will be taken back to the login screen where you can choose to log in again with Facebook, Apple ID, Call of Duty account or guest account. And that's it. You have successfully logged out of Call of Duty Mobile on your phone. If you're planning to switch account, just log out and then select the login option you want. That's all for today's video guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.